Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Welcome from YouTube channel at the rate runner 4563. You can watch uh, different things relating to Cadet Colleges Entry Test preparation or ISSB initial test preparation, or if any coaching classes somebody needs from primary to FSC, you can visit my channel at the rate runner 4563. My dear students, we are going to discuss English paper meant for Cadet Colleges Entry Test preparation. So the first question might be relating to essay writing. Sometimes it happens that the topic on which you are to write the essay, it is announced in the examination hall, or sometimes 3 or 4 topics are given and you are to write essay on one of them. Basically, you must prepare yourself, or you must practice in writing the things like essay on various topics. Once you will practice the things, definitely if sudden topic is given in the examination hall, you can write their essay very easily. If you understand the technique and philosophy of writing essay, how to begin the essay, how to write the beginning paragraph, then middle, then end. If you understand this technique of writing essay, then it will not be difficult for you to write 2-3 paragraphs or whatsoever the limit is given. Sometime normally it happens limit is given, writing essay consisting of 100 words or 200 words or 150 words. So you are to limit yourself whatsoever the limit is given there. So you are to limit yourself within that range. So the first question might be writing the essay, and for that you have to get maximum practice of writing paragraphs or essay. Next question, sometimes given, correct the following. In correcting the following, various sentences are given. Those sentences might have mistakes relating to grammar, or maybe something wrong with the spellings, like that. So once you will develop the habit of correcting such a type of sentences, so you will hurriedly know while sitting in the examination hall what's wrong with this sentence. For example, the sentence is, what does he find yesterday? So see, what does he find? Till here it is okay. No incorrection is there. But at the end, yesterday, so it is possible. How does he find yesterday? So definitely, how did he find yesterday? This is what the correct option. So by practicing the things, while attempting such exercises again and again, the students of cadet colleges, or those who wish to clear the exam for cadet colleges, they can easily attempt such type of questions very easily. So another incorrect sentence I am telling, He ran with Aslam quite happy. So he ran with Aslam. Till here it is okay, but happy. So definitely there is adverb mistakes. So he ran with Aslam quite happily. Next sentence is there. Silal like to stay at. So here incorrection is Silal like to stay on home. So prepositional mistake is here. So like to stay at home. Instead of on, there is at. So here is prepositional correction. Next is Ali helps his father watering the plants. So Ali helps his father in watering the plants. So again, there was missing in watering the plants. So next statement is the farmers were rich as they get good crops. So the first part is in past. So farmers were rich as they not get good crops, they got good crops. So this is another pattern you can learn with practice, because those students who are preparing for Cadet Colleges Entry Test exam, they get the age 12 year, 13 year, or it is allowed for PF Cadet Colleges till 14 and a half. And basically these students are currently studying in class 7. So class 6, 7 is not the level like FSA students or matric students. So these students require more practice, more attention for learning these things. So do learn the things. Just get guidance from our academy. I am available for guiding you, for counseling you. I can support you in preparing the various things meant for Cadet Colleges exams, or I can help you a lot in preparing yourself for the ISSB initial test, which will be conducted at various selection centers. Either those selection centers are Army selection centers, or for Navy purpose, or for PF selection. So nowadays 152 PMA long course is in progress. So just apply and prepare yourself for that exam. So the next sentence is, a mountain is of a great height than a hill. Repeating it, a mountain is of a great height than a hill. So then is unnecessary here. It's not the comparison here. A mountain is of a great height to a hill. This is the correct statement. So next one is, we must get rid from our bad habits. So instead of from, get rid of our bad habits. She is running in the playground for 2 hours. She has been running. She has been running in the playground for 2 hours. Then the next one is, what for we use a tractor. So for what we use a tractor. This is the correct statement. Then maybe certain questions or maybe certain words are given there in the exam, and you are to write sentences on these words. So for this purpose, uh, again you have to increase and enhance your vocabulary on daily basis. If you just learn few words, so in this way you can learn a lot and get so much useful vocabulary accumulated in your mind. So in this old paper, words are given rotate. Father rotates around, earth rotates around the sun. It is universal truth. You can make sentences like this. Surrounding, the surrounding of our locality is not bad, like this. Small sentences, but with correct spellings, you can make the sentences. Litter, litter is basically the waste of our homes, houses. We just throw it out instead of throwing them or throwing such things into dustbin, waste bin, or something like that. We are normally in habit of throwing it along the road, by the road. So we must avoid of it. This is the not good habit we do. But as far as the grammatical sentences are concerned, you can make any sentence. So there is a lot of litter in the garden, like this you can make. So gather, he gathered the papers. Next is admiration. Ali, admiration, admire, it's from admire. So admiration is for Allah. Briskly, hurriedly, briskly means hurriedly. He briskly walked through the street. Relish, mangoes have relish taste, relish in the sense of the thing you get delighted or you get good taste for that, relish in that sense. Then fertile, our land is very fertile, mean able to grow crops easily. Fertility, from fertility. Then martyr, it's relating to the shahadat. And the last one is the historic, which relates to our history. So many historical buildings are there in Pakistan. So like this you can make various sentences. Then do as directed pattern can be given. Writing the statement he wants to go to Lahore. You may be asked to change this sentence into negative. So he does not want to go to Lahore. This is the negative. He asked Muslims to learn the leadership of teachings, to learn the teachings of Islam, changing into interrogative pattern. So did he ask Muslims to learn the teachings of Islam? This is what the required sentence. The lesson will end when the bell rings, change into negative. Interrogative pattern, both pattern combinedly in the one sentence. You are to change into negative as well as keeping in view the interrogative pattern also. To will the lesson end when the bell ring, or negative is the lesson will not end when the bell does not ring. So gentlemen, remember this pattern also. These are the various patterns can be given in the paper. So if you practice well, you can write or you can attempt the paper well there and attempting the paper correctly, I mean, with minimum mistakes and with maximum correction, this will benefit you in getting the good marks and getting the merit for cadet colleges. So then translation, Urdu to English translation is given there, so you have to practice this Urdu translation also. For that you have to learn the various sentences. शाहिद को यकीन था कि वहाँ कोई चीज़ छुपी हुई थी. So like this, tricky type sentences are given. So Shahid was sure that something was hidden there. घर लौटने से पहले हम अदील के घर गए. So like this, I mean two patterns are combined together in one Urdu sentence. So similarly, you are to translate this Urdu sentence into English, keeping in view the same pattern. So we went to Adil's house before we returned home. हमें बताइए आप क्या कर सकते हैं. This is another Urdu sentence. Tell us, what could you do? Then next is, उन्होंने औरतों और बच्चों को गिरफ्तार किया और कैदी बना लिया. So they arrested women and children and made prisoners. Remember, the plural of woman is women. It is not women, women. So they arrested women and children and made prisoners. ये रही वो किताब जिसे आप तलाश कर रहे थे. So this is the book you were searching for. Then, my dear students and candidates, there will be one question relating to translation from English to Urdu. As we translated certain sentences from Urdu to English, a similar paragraph will be given to you, and you are to translate that paragraph from English into Urdu. So if you remember the tenses well, if you learn the tenses well, and with maximum practice, with maximum efforts in learning this pattern, so it will not be difficult for you to attempt such a type of question. So best luck for all the students who are going to appear for Cadet Colleges Entry Test. So I wish for all of you for your success, and you may be able to get admission as per your wish. Thank you to all. Assalamu alaikum.